Hello, this is Vijay Devane. This is the second task of the Spark Foundation GRIP November 20. This task is based on unsupervised machine learning algorithm. In this, we have to make clusters of iris dataset using k-means clustering algorithm. Before we dive into code, let's understand what is meant by k-means clustering algorithm. Clustering is one of the most common exploratory data analysis technique used to get an intuition about the structure of the data. It can be defined as the task of identifying subgroups in the data such that data points in a same subgroups clusters are very similar while data points in a different clusters are very different. In other words, we are trying to find homogeneous subgroup within the data such that data points in each clusters are as similar as possible according to the similarity measure such as Euclidean based distance or correlation based distance. If you want deeper understanding of this concept, you can search on Google or read an awesome blog. The link is given in the description. Now let's understand the code clearly. First, we have to import all required libraries. One can make its own k-means clustering algorithm, but I have used an inbuilt k-means algorithm. In this part, we have to do exploratory data analysis. One can clearly see that the shape of a data is 150,4. It means there are 150 rows and 4 columns. This is information about data properties. We can clearly see that there is no null value in this data. It means that data set is already cleaned. These are some statistical properties of a data set which we are not going to use because we directly taken the pre-built k-means cluster algorithm. If someone wants to build k-means cluster algorithm, then they can use these properties. These are some data visualization. Here one can clearly see that there is Gaussian distribution of sepal width. This is the most important part of this program. We have to find the accurate number of clusters required for k-means. Here we are using elbow method. In this we go from 1 to 8 as a number of cluster values and finding their inertia and plotting its values, and according to the elbow method we can clearly see that 3 is our most accurate value of number of clusters. Now we are applying k-means classifier. Then here we are finding these cluster centers values and finally we are plotting the clusters. Here one can clearly see that this black color represents the center of that cluster and these are the 3 regions of that clusters. This is all about k-means clustering of iris dataset. Thank you.